only faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, ain't it? Weapons are on light. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Light speed.
There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. And pilot brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! The power of the ship! Well, I grabbed the golden axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them? Well, it's harder than it looks. Punch! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of there. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Let's get out of here! Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your